Leon. Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Leon. Who are you?
Firstly, I'm not a criminal as you might relatively think about a popular movie. Secondly, Lewis is the guy who gave me life. Thirdly, I'm your personal assistant and I'm very glad to help you.
Leon. Tell me a joke.
Why was the JavaScript developer sad? Because he didn't know how to express himself.
Leon. Give me a random number.
63.
Leon. Check if github.com and twitter.com are up.
I'm checking GitHub state. GitHub is working correctly. I'm trying to reach Twitter. Twitter is up.
Leon. Thank you.
This is my pleasure.
Leon. Do you know Siri?
I consider Siri as a leader. It has a lot of experience and Apple is constantly improving it. It was born in October 2011.
Leon. Goodbye.
Bye. Take care.